TPFX, what's going on? It's Fractal back with another video. Today we're going over how to catch trades in small daily ranges. And as you know, we get straight into the videos, so let's do it. The first setup I want to go over today is the London session setup. By the way, we're on the dollar index. The reason why I want to go over the London session setup is because if it fit all of our criteria for the fractal model that I teach on this YouTube channel. First step would be for price to run above an intraday swing high on the hourly chart, which we're on the hourly chart right now. So as you see, 1 a.m. is the hour before the London session. So it traded above a swing high. You guys will see that on a smaller time frame, 15-minute chart. So this right here, running above a swing high prior to the London session, is already giving me a clear signal to be a seller or to look for sales in the London session. So let's go down to the 15-minute chart. Right, just with one PD array on the hourly chart, we can create a model. So as you see, we ran up at 1:45 a.m. London session, prior to London session, and then we started the session here on this candle, 2 a.m. So with this run, as I always say, after a run on a buy side liquidity pool, which is this old high, you want to look back down into the range to find the lowest or the nearest old low. So you want to pair the liquidity. So we take out buy side. Now I'm looking for sell side, which I see right here. Right? So now we have a buy side liquidity pool being taken with a potential sell side to be taken. So now we have a fractal range. This is what we call range building on the 15-minute chart, because now we have a high end and a low end, and from this level down to this price, we can look for, on the 1-minute chart, optimal trade entries, which we're going to show now, because I was up during London today and I actually was a part of this price action. So as you can see, price gets traded up into the buy side liquidity here prior to the London session, and then we have a strong move down, which I always talk about after the run. That run gives us a strong move down, breaking structure here, and then after we break the structure, we should be expecting a optimal trade entry. So we're not going to be frightened when price starts to trade back up, because we're looking for a retracement to complete the optimal trade entry, which I will draw out now. So we have this high all the way down to the strong move lower. So that's going to be the low. And as you can see, when price is trading up, we're not being scared. We're not in a hurry. We're just waiting for price to trade up into the 62% to the 79% retracement. That is our zone. We take the short here. We have a stop loss above the Fibonacci or the old high. And then you're looking to trade below your sell side liquidity that you already marked out on the 15-minute chart. So now you would just be waiting. And this is where patience comes in to trading. But as you can see, another setup again, optimal trade entry on the 1-minute time frame, 62 to 79% retracement, and we trade lower below the sell stops, and we have all of these extension levels for you to scale off and take off any position that you want to. You can take off your full position under the low and just call it a day. But if you want to partial out, you have all of these levels to partial out, right? So take a good look at this specific screen, because this is how your 1-minute setups will look. It will look like an optimal trade entry, and then you're cashing out your profit below the sell stops, right? As I said, it would be a quick video today. This was just an easy, quick fractal model on the 1 minute time frame during the London session. I was up during this time. I was a part of the price action, so I just wanted to show you guys, yeah, the price. So take it easy, TPFX.